Connect the easy way with the all-new BMW SIM reader. It provides your BMW with operating system 8 and the optional equipment personal eSIM with an alternative to the necessary eSIM contract. Simply insert your nano-SIM card with an active mobile number and data volume in your BMW SIM reader device to use the full functionality of the personal eSIM. Let's go! Open up the BMW SIM reader with the included tool. Inside, you'll find a battery compartment and a SIM slot. Insert your personal SIM card. Put the cap back on and activate the SIM reader by pressing the Setup button. Check. The green LED confirms it. In the Mobile Devices menu, select Personal eSIM, Start Setup. Setup with SIM card. Now press and hold the Setup button on the BMW SIM reader for about 6 seconds, until the status LED flashes in blue and the BMW SIM reader is shown on the central information display. Select the SIM reader. The status LED starts glowing in blue constantly. That's it! You can now use your mobile plan and connection with enhanced reception via the vehicle antennas. Our other video shows you how to, for example, streaming videos via the personal Wi-Fi hotspot for external devices. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.